Today, I'm going to share with you 10 mind-blowing true facts that will seriously leave you speechless. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on amazing content like this. Alright, let's get started. Fact number 1. Did you know that the total weight of all the ants on Earth is roughly equal to the total weight of all humans? That's right. Even though ants are tiny, they're so numerous that their combined weight is on par with our own species. Just imagine, millions of tons of ants crawling around the Earth. Talk about strength in numbers. Moving on to fact number 2. The Eiffel Tower actually grows and shrinks throughout the year. This iconic structure, made of iron, expands when it's heated and contracts when it's cold. During the summer months, the Eiffel Tower can grow up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters, taller. Who would have thought that even something as massive as the Eiffel Tower could be sensitive to temperature changes? Fact number 3 will make you rethink lightning. Did you know that lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun? While the sun's surface temperature is around 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,500 degrees Celsius, the temperature of a lightning bolt can reach up to 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit, 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's nearly 6 times hotter. Now that's electrifying. For our fourth fact, we'll delve into the mysterious world of space. You've probably heard of black holes, but have you heard of white holes? Theoretical white holes are the opposite of black holes. While black holes pull matter in with their immense gravitational pull, white holes are thought to expel matter from their event horizon. However, no white hole has ever been observed, so they remain purely theoretical for now. Fact number 5. The world's largest living organism is actually a fungus. Known as the humongous fungus, this Armillaria ostoyae colony spans 2,385 acres, 965 hectares, in Oregon's Malheur National Forest. To put that into perspective, that's roughly 1,665 football fields. Who knew fungi could grow to such epic proportions? Fact number 6. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. These fascinating creatures pump blood through their gills with 2 hearts, while a 3rd heart pumps blood throughout the rest of their body. Their blood is blue due to the presence of hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule that transports oxygen more efficiently in cold, low-oxygen environments. Talk about a unique cardiovascular system. Moving on to fact number 7. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. That's right, with an estimated 10 to the power of 120 possible moves in chess, the number of potential games is mind-bogglingly huge. In comparison, there are only around 10 to the power of 80 atoms in the universe. Checkmate. Fact number 8. The human body contains enough carbon to make roughly 9,000 pencils. Our bodies are made up of about 18% carbon, which is a key component of graphite, the material used in pencil, lead. If you were to extract all the carbon from an average adult, you'd have enough to make around 9,000 pencils. Now that's a lot of writing potential. Fact number 9. Sharks have been around for longer than trees. While sharks have existed for over 400 million years, trees only started to appear around 350 million years ago. These ancient predators have survived multiple mass extinctions and continue to thrive in our oceans today. It's no wonder they're considered some of the most efficient hunters on the planet. And finally, our 10th mind-blowing fact. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye. Contrary to popular belief, astronauts cannot see the Great Wall from low Earth orbit without the aid of telescopic lenses. While it's a massive and impressive structure, its narrow width makes it difficult to spot among the vast landscape. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing true facts that are sure to leave you and your friends amazed. Which fact was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.